Hello, and welcome to Design Guy. Curious which Canva fonts will make your design stand out? Let's check them out together. Click Create, then choose Custom Size. Enter 300 by 300 pixels for this demonstration. This sets the exact dimensions needed for your project's canvas before you begin designing. Next, click Add a heading to insert text. Then type any desired words into the heading box to customize your content quickly and easily. Select your text, then open the font style menu. Browse the example top fonts to find the one that suits your design best. Click to apply your chosen font style and see the change instantly in your project. This list shows recently used fonts, making it easy to find fonts you've selected before. The section here displays popular fonts frequently used by Canva users. These fonts are great for various projects, including introductions and typography-focused designs. Among these, some fonts stand out for their versatility and style, often chosen for professional presentations and creative layouts. Exploring this selection helps you quickly access styles that work well across different design needs. Using popular fonts ensures your project looks polished and trendy, appealing to a wide audience. Remember, the font you pick can significantly impact the mood and readability of your design, so choose one that fits your project. This list includes several useful fonts like Comic Sans and Horizon. Each font has a unique style, making them suitable for different design needs. To try a font, simply click on it and view the sample text that appears. For example, select the Anton font. Anton is commonly used in design projects because of its bold and modern appearance. Experiment with these fonts to find the best fit for your work. Testing various fonts can help you create visually appealing and effective designs that stand out and communicate your message clearly. Explore the available fonts in video editing, including unique styles like typographies. You'll find distinctive options such as Gaga Lin, Comic Sans, and Shrikhand. Each font offers a different look to enhance your project's visual appeal. To apply, select the desired font from the font menu. Experiment with various fonts to find the best fit for your video's tone and style, ensuring your text stands out effectively. For a flawless look, adjust the horizon or increase the font size using Canva's options. Explore the wide variety of high-quality fonts available to find the perfect style for your design. Customize your text effortlessly to enhance your project's appearance and make it visually appealing and professional. Select the font to test it. If you're happy with the choice, proceed to apply it to your document or design. The font you frequently use will appear here under Recent. You can quickly access it by selecting it from this list, making your workflow faster and more efficient when choosing fonts you use regularly. Here, we use Anton for the title and Shrikhand for the body text, which is the font I regularly use in my designs for a clean, modern look. That concludes the tutorial. Thank you. Now you know the top best Canva fonts. Like if you found this helpful, and subscribe for more design tips.